G2 Laser Marker, an ultra-portable industrial-grade fiber laser marker. Equipped with a 20-watt fiber laser and high-speed galvanometer, it can easily engrave various materials. It has an engraving speed that is more than 10 times faster than competing products, and the engraving accuracy has been improved to 0.001 millimeters. Wow, such a big helmet. What should we do? Don't worry, this is how it's solved. With its compact size, you can easily place it anywhere. Want more interesting patterns? So easy! Just take a photo anytime and start engraving. With its large working area and electric lifting feature, even large objects can be easily engraved. It can also easily handle objects with irregular surfaces and even rotate the main unit directly to adapt to any engraving angle. Batch processing is more efficient. Whether it's large tools or small accessories, it can handle them easily. You just imagine and leave the rest to the G2 Laser Marker. Hi, this is the G2 Laser Marker, an ultra-portable industrial-grade fiber laser marker. Equipped with a 20-watt fiber laser and high-speed galvanometer, it can easily engrave various materials. It has an engraving speed that is more than 10 times faster than competing products, and the engraving accuracy has been improved to 0.001 millimeters. Wow, such a big helmet. What should we do? Don't worry, this is how it's solved. With its compact size, you can easily place it anywhere. Want more interesting patterns? So easy! Just take a photo anytime and start engraving. With its large working area and electric lifting feature, even large objects can be easily engraved. It can also easily handle objects with irregular surfaces and even rotate the main unit directly to adapt to any engraving angle. Batch processing is more efficient. Whether it's large tools or small accessories, it can handle them easily. You just imagine and leave the rest to the G2 Laser Marker.
Hello guys, hello, how are you doing? Welcome back to GB Cloud channel. My name is Luana. Hello guys. Welcome back to the GB Cloud channel and thank you for joining me today. And today I'm bringing a J2 software tutorial live with you guys. I will also address some of the questions from our FB group, some of the top questions you guys have for J2 along with the J2 software. All I say so far is about J2 software, which I totally understand is some different applications, a lot of things going on, different logic, stuff like that. I also be connected with the Jason of Lightburn. I think we will support Lightburn around the end of Jan. That's what I've been told. That's what Jason promised so far. I will keep you guys updated as soon as I get some like information regarding to this matter. So don't worry. J2 will support like Lightburn at the end of Jan. That's the approximate like date. As for JLaser software, I think it isn't hard to use once you get a hang of it. Trying to think like JLaser as software to like handle the machine more other than design graphs or like Photoshop, AI, something like that. You may need other software to enhance your graphic and files before you import it into the JLaser. We also have some of our YouTubers post some videos about the J2 recently as well. Feel free to check it to see whether it will help you to get the machine set up, to just test all the parameter stuff. If you have any opinion towards the machine or you find any room that we can further update, don't hesitate to connect with us. You can join our FB group to find us. And it's almost about Chinese New Year, 2 weeks later. I wish you guys happy Chinese New Year and wish you guys, you and your family, have a wonderful year ahead. First thing first, I think we should head over to our coupons and bundles and stuff to see any on sale stuff. Okay, let's head over to our website. Okay, right here on our website, right here is the New Year sale. You can see it's 65% off. You can grab coupons as usual. If your total consumption reaches $3,000, you can have $300 coupon. If your total consumption reaches $5,000, you can have a $500 coupon. If your total consumption is $10,000, you can have $1,000 off. The coupon code is down right here. And then next we have some new arrivals. We have our GV Cloud Air Filter Bundle, which is 15% off, which is a really good deal. You're gonna have an air filter along with a spare filter cartridge to replace it. And we also have a GV Cloud Madness Bundle right here. It is worth $4,099. Right here we have the J6 Split MOBA 30 wattage, 60 wattage, 100 wattage fiber laser marking and engraving machine. We have multiple series of J6. This is only the J6 fiber laser alone, and this is the J6 MOBA fiber laser 30 wattage, 60 wattage, 100 wattage. And then we have the J6 Split 30 wattage, 50 wattage, 70 wattage, 100 wattage. And then you have some bundles right here. So this is the GV Cloud Basic 2 bundles right here, and along with GV Cloud Basic air filter, material package, 18 months warranty, and duct fan. And then we have the GV Cloud Pro 2 bundle, GV Cloud Pro 2 rotary attachment, duct fan, 18 months warranty, and the material package and the air filter. We also have the RF bundle. And these are the machine alone. If you want to purchasing, they're on sales as well. They price dropping really high. And to begin with this, I want to start with the JLaser machine. And I will show you when it's opening some of the function or all these menus down there, so you guys will have a better idea of it. So we're going to the JLaser. Okay, the JLaser. I'm trying to get inside now. Oh, this is how the software, inside of a software looks like, something like this. And then we're going to start at the left top button to introduce some of the function. So we're going to hit the file. And then we hit the system configuration. So this is where you can change all kinds of different parameters for conventional colors and style. When you click each one, for example, color and style, you could see the background color, working area color, grain, the guideline, center lines and stuff. And we hit the working area. You can see all this other option y-axis, z-axis, and show a displayed center, something like that, display non-market stuff like that. And then next to it is shortcuts. Yeah. inside you have like multiple shortcuts keys, just like how Photoshop works. You can get this work done like by remembering the shortcut. It'll like highly improve your work efficiency. Down there we have the automatic save. This is where you can set the timer. For example, you want to save like every 2 minutes or every 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. It really depends on like what kind of situation we're talking about. Okay, the next one is moving rotation. And then you have all this fine adjustment, large adjustments, and rotation angles and scales and stuff you can change from here. Next one is user management. It probably like just how you set your computer once you want to open it, you have to enter the password. For this, it works the same way. But do notice all these settings will be like kind of a work till the next time you open the software. Okay, into the next, then we have is our languages. Languages, we have probably 15 of them. If you have like a lot more than, just say if you have 150 like on your computer, it also works, but only works the next time you open the software as well. And then into the next, we have the edit column. And the first one is like some like basic a basic function like undo and recovery, and Ctrl X for cut and copy paste, and select all, and some delayed as well. And then you also have the combination and separate combination group, separate group like that. Okay, into the next, we have the draw. Draw, you can here draw like a point, line, curve, rectangle, circle, ellipse, like polygon, text, images, vector, timer, input, and output, extended like text as well. So right next to it, we have the modify. Yeah, modified. And inside of modify, we have different like way to arrange your project, like array, transformation, modeling, prim, remove, intersection, auto connected, alignment. Alignment, you have left, right, center, up, below, center. Yeah, just like that. Next to it, we have the V bar. Yes, when we clicked it, this is how we like pretty much select all of it. So you want the system toolbar to show off or not. So you want to have the status like bar to show and off, and yes, and then you want your like draw toolbar showing off, or you didn't like it, you could just like undo it. And then we also have like a middle drawing toolbar, zoom toolbar. It really depends on your needs. And then we also have accessibility toolbars. Also, the align toolbars. Yeah, just look like that. And we have like non-edit bar. Yeah, not like huge difference, but it really depends on your need. And object like a property window right here, right on the left. And then you have the mark like parameters, stuff like that. So you can try it out to see whether you need those like function or not. Okay, that'll be all the function there. And then we move to the status bar right next to it. And then you have this display ruler. So you want to take the ruler out, or just want to hide it. It really depends on your needs. And then you have this display green, display guideline. I think those three are needed. And display path, and capture the grid, capture guide, and capture objects, and track preview, and stuff like that. Next, we have the movement. So the movement is more connected with two kind of rotaries that we have, chuck rotary or roller rotary. So we have like different configuration according to it, and then you can select it whether you want your roller or chuck rotary to work. And then you also have the rotation angle mark. And these are the settings you're probably going to set ahead once you're going to use your rotary. And then we have split mark. Is that does it fit in your needs? When it comes to like rotary, you have like different mode. And then you also have the ring mark, which is a tiny ring, rotation mark, and ring mark. And you know, rings are pretty smaller when it comes to, yeah. And you also have super ruler. Next, we have the object list window. It is situated on the second left, like part of the scene. when you draw stuff, when you draw multiple stuff, you can see right here, use the rectangle, circle, text 1, and you can drag those things to change the sequence of it. Per se, I want the text to be the number 2 or the number 1. Okay, I can use. Okay, I can use to. I can drag it and then double click. I can change its name. For example, I want the text to be text 1, text 2, or anything like that. So it gives you a better arrangement once you work on like objects or the work that you're doing. And then the next one is right down to it is object property window. It's right down to the object list window, which we're pointing right now. And then this is like how, for example, yes, you draw a rectangle. It shows all the parameters. Y is the axis and some like all shade rounded stuff. You can change the parameters, whether how you will like to for your rectangle to have the like different kind of shape of angles stuff. And then we're going to draw a circle as well. Yeah, that's the parameters of a circle, and that's parameters of a rectangle, and then we're gonna see. Yeah, that's the of text, and you have like auto, whatever, central, and different type of it, different font of it. Yeah, which like what kind of the text like font that you want for your words. And then we also can import like pattern. Yeah, the picture we can do the same, but picture we have a lot of things down there. And then we also could just like add 2 groups together as well. That's for the group. You have to change the size and everything. Oh, this is the picture too once you like import it to the software. And then you can group 2 together. You can group 2 together. Yeah, this is a group. You can ungroup it like if you want it, or you're gonna put like 2 objects together to set up a group, and then you can set their parameters together. Okay, the next one is the mark parameters. On the right side of this page, you can see that. And then it has like on and off. So double click, you can turn it to off, which means you don't want to operate it right now, but you might gonna get back to it later on. And then you have like different colors of pencil. People asking like why you have different colors of pencil. First thing, that's the pencil like for say different types of pencil. Once you choose it, you can see the circle around just like a purple or red color. It really depends on what kind of a pencil you choose. So I want to address it. I want to coach it carefully. I want to address it as a layer. So you have different layers things, and just remember the circle right now is like a red color. The text right now is like a red color. The text right now is a red color. Then you set it to the red like layer. So whenever you want to get back to this red color to change its parameters, you can just directly click the red color. So it adds a color, but it also works as a different like types of pencil as well. So yes, by just like you can change the objects that you want, the settings and everything like that. So the next one, we're moving to the downside of this page right now. We're going to start with the red F1. So red F1 mark the center point of the pattern to be marked, but do not emit laser light. It is used to indicate the processing area and facilitate the user to locate the workpiece. This function is used for marking machine with a right indicator light. Press F1 on the keyboard and execute the commission. Just like you're good to go and you hit the F1 and you hit the Y button, you're good to go. Yeah, you don't have laser right now, but it works like that. Okay, we turn to the next one is mark F2. It's the starting processing, so press F2 on the keyboard to run this command. And then you have like small like function like continuous mark indicates that current file is continuously processed without pause. And then right next to it is the auto light. Right next to it is the auto right. Situate object position. And then you have the parts. You have the parts as well. Parts is represent the total number of the parts currently processed. And then you have the right outline. when this function is checked to display the right light, the outline of the graph can be displayed. And you also have the select mark right here, and then only process the selected objects, of course. And then you have the passing time. Processing time is just like to check like how many minutes are left or total consumption like of time, amount of time that you invested into this project. And then like the most important one is the total. So this total, it indicates the total number of the parts to be processed currently, which is invalid in the continuous processing mode. When not in the continuous processing mode, if the total number of the parts is greater than 1, the processing will be repeated continuously until the number of the parts processed equals the total number of the parts before stopping. Just like how many times you want it to go through. For example, you want to do the depth engraving. Then you set a total to the 50 times. You want to go over it for like 50 or 100 times to be able to carve up to 1.5 millimeter. And then we have the configure it like a function. Inside, you can change a lot of parameters, and then used to set parameters for the device, like you have the areas, and you have the laser control, you have the port, you have the other, and you have all the red. You can just like quickly examine it. And then the last one is continuous red mode. This one is a bit of a difference. It's a right light indicator. After selecting this function, you click it or press the F1. The following dialog box will appear, and it will appear after each mark. The right light preview will always exist. These are really useful function if you having a hard time to understand it. We also have like some tutorial on our YouTube channel. You can feel free to check it. They're everywhere. Since we already know some of the function of this like G laser, we're gonna start to practice something like J2 depth engraving, like deep engraving tutorial. They are the most like top questions as well. So how to do it is that once we open the J laser, we'll click the vector button right there. You see that? It's in the kind of like left to like probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like around 13 or 12, and then you see this drop vector file, and then you click it. And then you could choose like the depth like engraving pattern that you want to operate. Adjust the dimension and center it. And you also choose the center button to center it. And then you select the file. You click the full button. Where's the full button right here? It's on the top column. And then you click this H-like object, and you click it. That's the fill. And once you get the fill, you'll be able to choose the enable object overwhelm. This two little function right there on top of it. And then you're going to choose the type. Yeah, and then you choose the type, and you set the angle to 45. Oh, that's only just for this like picture. And then you also choose the line to 0.02. And then you click OK. Remember, what's important about this like software is about the total number down there. So once you set all up, you're going to choose the total number. You're going to change to 50 to 100. It really depends on. You can adjust it. Depends on the depth you want it. And then once you finish with the total, you're also going to go ahead to the pen like type as well. By citing the pen number references like speed 1000 millimeter per second, power 80%, and frequency is like 30, something like that. And everything is done, you can start your job. It is very easy to set up, but probably it takes like some tries once you, it takes some like times to try it out, whether it's really working or not. Maybe the parameters, different kind of effects, different kind of materials that you want to go with it. It'll take some time to warm up. If you feel like right now it's just too much for me, we're going to support library soon. So once you get the machine to work with the library, it's only going to get easier because you're familiar with that software. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. And the next part, we're going to teach you how to install the software and set all the parameters about this software on the macOS system. It is different and totally apart to the Windows system. So we're going to further examine how we're gonna set up in macOS system. First thing first, we're gonna open the UDisks that come with the machine, and this is what inside to the UDisks. And then you clean the J2 and find out the screenshot. So these are the parameters you're gonna input to your software to get it work. So guys, don't forget about it. You're gonna open all of it, and then you open the J2 software. All right, and you go ahead, just clean the setting. Modify the size of the working area according to the size of your working field. Per se, you got a J2 for 110 plus 110. You set it for the 110 plus 110. If you got a 150 plus 150, you set it to the 150 plus 150, and then click OK. And then you open the screenshot that you once opened and trying to get all this configuration to work. Okay. And then you just clicked it, trying to get all this parameters set by clicking the configuration F3 and find the area. Find area, find the scales. You're going to change it according to the screenshot, which is 84.55800. And the next one is down there. It's pretty much the same. Oh, okay. This one we need to change to 0.98000. And down as well is the same number. Okay. Okay, the scales we're going to change it to 84.329000. Down there, yeah, we're going to change the last 4. 0000, and then 1.02000 and 0. Yeah, this is the same. You're gonna change all the settings, and then click OK. And then you're also gonna change the red parameters, but that's the one screenshot. I'm gonna change another one. Then click the red, and then change all the parameters. Parameters not that far away from the screenshot, as you can see. Large of them are just alike for each other. And you adjust all the parameters, and you are great to go. And then you click OK. And now you can free use of your software as you like. It's very easy to operate, as you can see so far. Okay, so this is how you're gonna run the system for Mac OS, stuff like that. But there's another thing that people constantly worry about is the phone application. For phone applications, we're going to show it as well. So we're going to connect one of our phones to see that. Okay. So the software just looked like that. And you also open the screenshot that came with the UDisks, because all the screenshot that you could change for your phone software as well. Okay. And then open the G-Laser software. Go to the setting. Go to the settings. Go to the settings and then find the mark parameter setting and open it. It is 8. Yeah, 8 for 8 times. Yeah, and then you're free to go. And then you're going to choose the galvanometer setting. Click that. And then change all this setting according to the screenshot. For example, you're going to change correct the X direction or Y direction, or this X reverse, Y reverse, scale X, scale Y. That's how you do it. Okay, and then you click And then yeah, down there. Huh? Why? And then this is the X like direction down there, and you could just like change all this column as well. And the Y direction as well. Okay, and then you also clean the red light prevail and change the red light prevail speed and offset X, offset Y, offset like scale X, scale Y. It is very easy to like use kind of stuff. Since we get the phone application set up, we're going to try to operate with the aluminum card, trying to do a one engrave as well. And once you get all the things set up. Okay, we're gonna also trying to get it to use, like we're going to photograph like whatever on the table. This one, I think this one's really cute. This is super cute. Okay, we're gonna start to engrave this one, take a picture. And then you're gonna choose like the area that you want to engrave. And then right here, you're gonna change the size according to it. It's all aluminum card, should be like smaller. And then you're gonna adjust the forwarder stuff. Yeah, great. You put thick one, and then you choose the grain, whatever like effects that you wanted, and then you clean the next. Okay, get your like phone to connect with your J2 devices, and then you first give a name, like random name. For material, choose the according to material, and those are the automatically set like parameters. Oh, you don't have to worry about that. And the precision, choose the high precision, and frequent just one, and then you start processing. And then that's how you set all this like phone parameters, and then you just hit OK, and then this machine will get all set up. I'm gonna just okay, cool, go. I think phone application is way much easier when it comes to like engraving and stuff. But if you want to dive into more complicated like a project, you might need like to get it done with your like computer stuff, laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down in the comment sections. We're happy to help if you have any questions, like any like software difficulties that you might encounter. This is like picture engraving, and then we are going to do a like more complicated engraving. Feel free to drop a question regarding the J2 software or anything like it. And people often ask like, how do you import the SVG file? I assume we got like similar question like that. It's very easy. Do you remember the draw vector files like that images? You just click it and select the file type, like set as your SVG, and then you open it, and then you select the image to be marked, and that's how you do it. People often asking like the razors block, which we will carry it out in this live as well. We have the razors ahead right now. I'm going to show you how to put it on the machine, how to use it. So we use like the razors when there's like large object or higher object that you might not be able to operate with your J2, that you need assistance to raise the entire machine, for per se the laser module, to a distance that's really higher. It's really high, so higher than usual. That's how you use the razors like blocks. Okay, as we can see, images turns out great. Not bad. Even with the phone that is off screen right now, it still can do the job. Feel free to drop any questions regarding the J2. We're happy to help. Okay. 你手机上没有图是吧？没事，我们再调一个。这个快呀，5分钟、2分钟。Okay, almost done. 再拍个图，拍它这随便找个你手机里的图来。Okay, it's almost done. 找个复杂点。Okay, done. Okay. Okay, this way. That's just a simple picture engraving, and it's very quick, very easy to operate. Okay, we're gonna try some like other pictures as well. Okay, great. We'll take a quick photo of our live studio. Live studio, and we set just like how we setting other parameters. We're gonna set out like parameters. Okay. Get 2 words. Okay, seems like that's the situations that if you want to connect with your phone, you cannot really connect with your computer. If you want to connect with your computer, and it's really hard to connect with your phone, so we just got a computer set up, so the phone disconnected right now. Okay. Okay, it'll take some time. If you guys have any question regarding to the software and the J2 machine as well, feel free to drop a comment down there. I'm also going to show you this really great project that we made by putting all the depth engraving in this GV Cloud Pro made project. They have a lot of a vacancy room down there, so we're trying to catch to collect all the great depth engraving into this column. We're also going to share all the parameter setting and file into the FB group. So if you're interested to start the first time doing this depth engraving, you could just grab the file. All the files are free. You can find all the files, right? The test files and everything. If you have a hard time finding them, you can connect our stuff that are in the Facebook group to catch all the files. We almost collect all this depth engraving. We're really good at it. Really, it's a really cool project. And then we also have this project right here. It's more detail engraving. made by J2. See that pattern? It's really cool. That's really cool. This cup is really cool. Okay, and we get back to our J2. Feel free to drop a question down here if you have like any question regarding to the J2 and the software. You can tell us like what kind of content you want to see on lives the next time, whether it's about software, whether it's about making something really cool, whether it's about sharing all the process, how we get depth engraving to work, how we get any other like things to work. When this is like done, we're introducing the riser block, how to install them, how to use it. Okay. Hello. Will you demonstrate the chalk rotary? Okay, we can. Hello, Dave. We can't. We can. The next time I will just like trying to show you how to use the chalk rotary along with the roller rotary. Mine will be sure. Chalk wood back and stuff. I'm running just to order mine. Okay. Seems like we got all this like stuck right now. Okay, the next time we will show. Okay, done. Oh, okay. I'm trying to find the perfect line and angle. Okay, the light is insertion right now. Okay. 不行，没罐了。亮啊。Okay. Cool. And we're going to do some like quick engraving. And then we're going to turn to the chalk rotary. I'm going to show you off a little bit. Okay, go. Okay. See that? Just in a few seconds. This is a really cool object. Okay, I'm gonna do another one. Wow, look at the speed and everything. Oh, look at this really accurate engraving. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to use this razors right here. Okay, those razors you see right now. So it comes with the machine. It comes with the machine. It's not like optional like choice, but it came with the machine. There's two like blocks, solid blocks. You guys might wondering how to use it. So per se, if your J2 right here is engraving larger material or higher material, for example, this cup. So the focus point is obviously, everybody can see, it's not sufficient enough. So even if you turn it to the highest point, it still wouldn't be enough. So how do you be able to like engrave this kind of a cup or anything that's like similar to this kind of a cup? Is that, of course, you're going to turn to the highest point, and then, 不用断电吧? And then you're gonna take off the laser module. I can do it. Okay, take that little laser module out. Gently place on the table. And then if it is 1 is enough, just add a 1. If it is 1 is enough, add a 2. So see, we have 2 type of screws right here. So longer one, shorter one. If it's just only like 1 razor, so you could just like use this one, the shorter one. Just like 1 is enough. You're gonna add another block. And then you put your laser module down there. And then you put screw underneath of it to tighten the clips and everything. Okay. 哎，没有，你给特写就行。不行。Okay, this is how you so people just making fun of me because I stupid right now. Oh, this is how you add like 2 like blocks on there. So now you see you got like enough room to put this like cups underneath of it. You get enough room there, so you can engrave like further engrave on it. And we're going to show you off the chark rotary a little bit. So the chark rotary was 为什么呢? Okay, to get our stuff to working here, 给特写就行。我来说。Okay, so these are screws up. So it looks like this. 先张开给大家看。It looks like this. 找个 ring. 啊，这里有 ring. So when you unscrew it, 作用是什么呢? So you put it right there. So yeah, next time, yeah, you operate a chark rotary, it'll be easier. So let's put a ring on it. Ring on it. 啊，找个 ring. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna find a ring to operate this one. So you guys will have a better idea how to operate this one. Okay, I have a ring. I have a ring right now. 为啥讲不了呢？这不就是在夹这个 ring 的吗? Okay, give me all the parts. Okay, we're gonna add all the screws to be able to hold the ring. This 也拍一下吧，这也是带在那个包里面。This are the screws that also gonna came in the machine. We're doing this like first time in this live, so it's gonna look so real. Okay, that's how you, and then you install all the screws up there. We also have tutorial videos on the YouTube, which you can find it, trying to learn from it. Okay, that's how you're gonna put your ring on it to be fixed. Yeah, that's how it works. It's really easy. And then you connect this side with the machine, and then you're all done. Apart from the chark rotary, anything you guys want to know that we might have the chance to practice in this live, feel free to drop a comment down there. Do we have any questions right now? We don't have any questions? Then we're going to call it a day. We don't have any questions? Okay. Any questions about depth engraving? And any question about software? Do remember that we probably going to support Library at the end of the Jan. That's what Jason from Library have told me so far. So just stay tuned, guys. And if you have any questions regarding to the J2 or GV Cloud Pro Series or anything, feel free to drop a comment down there so we can help you. If you don't have any questions, I'll just call it a day. No question at all? Okay. I will like that. Any like you want me to show you anything like rotary or anything? And then I probably just wish you guys happy Chinese New Year. Okay, that'll be all today. Thank you guys for joining me today. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel as well, and join our FB group. If you have any questions, you can connect us via FB. Make sure you like this video, and if it is helpful or anything you want us to practice in the next one, probably give some feedback or opinion on this. I guess I'll see you guys next time, and happy Chinese New Year.
Hi, this is the G2 Laser Marker, an ultra-portable industrial-grade fiber laser marker. Equipped with a 20-watt fiber laser and high-speed galvanometer, it can easily engrave various materials. It has an engraving speed that is more than 10 times faster than competing products, and the engraving accuracy has been improved to 0.001 millimeters. Wow, such a big helmet. What should we do? Don't worry, this is how it's solved. With its compact size, you can easily place it anywhere. Want more interesting patterns? So easy. Just take a photo anytime and start engraving. With its large working area and electric lifting feature, even large objects can be easily engraved. It can also easily handle objects with irregular surfaces and even rotate the main unit directly to adapt to any engraving angle.